Right, guys. I wanted to go over compound interest for you guys. Um, Let me just quickly find a calculator so that we can get started. Um, right, calculator. Let's put it here. Let's open this block again. All right. So in this case, we're trying to find what compound interest for this question here. It's similar to question number one for you guys. I'm gonna be using the same thing so you guys can follow. All right. The formula for compound interest is the total amount at the end of the investment. Um, it is not like simple interest where we go directly to the interest. Here you get the total amount, meaning including the interest that you guys are um, will be will have at the end of the 4 or 5 years, right? So here it says your 5-year investment of 29,000 receive 11.2% compound interest annually. What is the total return? So in this case, you want to find out total amount plus the interest, all right? So the formula we use is going to be amount equals to principal, open bracket, 1 plus rate over 100 raised to the n, where the P is the amount you're investing. In this case, it's gonna be 29,000. So P equals to 29,000. Um, R is gonna be the rate. So at what rate are they giving you the money? And in this case, it's always in percentage. So we have it's 11.2%. All right. And then the N, sometimes you have NT or you have other things placed there instead of the N. We In mathematics we use the N, where N is the number of years you're investing the money. And in this case, we're investing it for 5 years. All right. So if we move on to substituting the numbers into the problem, we have that the amount equals to principal 29,000, open bracket, to 1 plus the rate 11.2 over 100 raised to the n, which in this case it's 5. All right. Amount equals to 29,000, and in this case we're gonna have 1 plus, and if we take out our calculator, see, that's gonna be 11. Right, that's gonna be 11.2 divided by 100. You're gonna get that, right? So if I put it in, that's gonna be 0.112, and then everything is raised to the power of 5. All right. So let's go step by step. So we have amount equals to 29,000 open bracket, and then that's going to be 1 plus that. That is going to be 1.112 raised to the 5. And if you guys want to do it with a calculator, you can go ahead. All right, then we have it is amount equals to 29000 open bracket, and then we're gonna be raising that to the power. So let's put it here on the calculator. um, that's gonna be 1.112 raised to the power of 5. That is gonna be that extremely long decimal that we get there. So we're gonna say 1.70029 um, 36, and if you want you can write in the rest, but I will just stop there. And within my calculator, since I have everything, I will just say times 29,000. And when I do 29,000, you can see that the amount that I will be receiving at the end of 5 years is gonna be 49,308 with 52 cents. Since we know that money, we just take it to two decimal place, right? So this is how you guys work with compound interest. There are various formulas out there, but all of them take the same exact way of solving. Don't go into anything complicated, guys. I know there are some formulas that um, is a little bit different, so stick to this one here. Amount equals to principal, open bracket, 1 plus rate over 100 raised to the n. P is for the principal, the amount you're investing. R is for the rate, always percent, all right? 2%, 3%, 5%, in this case, 11.2%. And then N is the number of years, and in this case, we're investing for 5 years. You substitute, and then you use your calculator to solve your question. I hope you guys understand the video, um, and it helps you for you guys to do your assignment. Okay.